Today we will discuss chapter number 15, Synthetic Materials. What does synthesis means? Synthesis means making something new by combining two or more things. Similarly, synthetic materials are made by combining chemicals in factories. We also call them artificial or man-made materials. Synthetic materials are made with the help of natural things like plants, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Plastics, any material that can be easily molded or made into different shapes, is a plastic. Clay and rubber, for example, are natural plastic materials. Now let's discuss some of the characteristics of plastics. Plastics are cheap. They are light yet strong. They are durable. They last long. They can be made into any shape, from thin sheets to tubes to threads to fluffy sponges. Plastics can also be recycled. Now let's discuss some of the properties and uses of plastics. Plastics can be used to store chemicals because they do not get affected by chemicals. Plastics are waterproof. They are used to make umbrellas, raincoats, etc. Many plastics do not get hot easily, so they are used to make the handles of utensils. Electricity does not pass through plastics, so plastics are used to cover wires, plugs, etc. to protect us from shocks. Plastics are used to make a large number of things we use every day. Plastics are used in packaging also. Now let's discuss some of the disadvantages of plastics. Plastics are non-biodegradable. They cannot be broken down by the natural decomposers, so they pile up and pollute the environment. Plastic bags and bottles and disposable cups create problem. They choke up the trains. They also harm animals if they eat them up while looking for the food among garbage. Burning plastic and the process of making plastic produce harmful gases that pollute the air. Synthetic fibers, nylon, acrylic, polyester are some of the examples of synthetic fibers. My dear students, let's discuss what are fibers. Fibers are thread-like structure that are long, thin and flexible. They spun into yarns and then they made into fabrics. Now let's discuss how is synthetic yarn made. The synthetic material is dissolved or melted to form a thick pasty liquid. This pasty liquid is then forced out through holes in a metal disc. The long, thin fibers that come out of the holes are drawn together and cooled to form yarn. Uses of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are used to make fabric, socks, sweaters, blankets, carpets, mosquito nets, artificial silk, lace, ropes, brushes, parachutes, bags, and even threads surgeons use to stitch up wounds. The good side of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers. They stretch and they come back to their original size, so they make better socks and stockings. Synthetic fibers do not fade. They last longer. Clothes made of synthetic fibers retain their folds and pleats, so they do not have to be ironed. It is easier to wash and dry clothes made of synthetic fibers. Moths and other insects do not attack synthetic fibers. Now we will discuss the bad side or the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers burn very easily and stick to the skin. So, clothes made of synthetic fibers should not be worn in the kitchen. Synthetic fibers do not absorb moisture. So, clothes made of synthetic fibers make one feel uncomfortable in summers. Clothes made of synthetic fibers shine in an ugly way. Sometimes they cling to the skin and can irritate the skin. So these are few disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Other synthetic materials. Synthetic rubber and synthetic adhesives are other useful synthetic materials. Many of the things that used to be made of natural rubber earlier are now made with the help of synthetic rubber. The most common example is the eraser in your pencil box. Bubblegum, tires, and rubber boots are also made with the help of synthetic rubber. Adhesives are things used for sticking. Earlier, glues are made from the bones of animals and juices of certain plants, but now we use synthetic adhesives for all sort of things. From sticking paper to mending leaks in pipes, synthetic adhesives are much stronger than the natural adhesives. Dear children, that's all for today. Hope you have understood this lesson. Read it on your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.